We will tell you the 9 things that you should learn from millionaires. We researched about it and brought all these to you. The end lesson is very crucial, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Create something that goes beyond your own capabilities and ambitions. It seems that the majority of individuals prioritize their own success over that of others. They aspire to achieve widespread recognition, be featured in prominent publications, and amass substantial wealth. It's important to choose a cause that goes beyond personal interests. It's important to recognize that your purpose extends beyond yourself. This will help you achieve greater success rather than hinder it. A compassionate leader prioritizes the growth of others, which ultimately leads to their own personal growth. I make it a point to exercise regularly by jogging and lifting weights as part of my routine. When I assist others with their exercise routines, I notice that it enhances my own strength and speed beyond what I could achieve on my own. Assisting others requires just as much time as assisting oneself. In order to achieve wealth, it is important to prioritize enriching the lives of others. Number 2. Seek guidance from professionals who specialize in the field. Every successful multimillionaire relies on a team of experts to provide them with strategic advice. When it comes to seeking advice, it's important to consider the expertise of the source. I observe many individuals who heed advice from unreliable sources, resulting in detrimental outcomes. Connect with professionals in your field who have a strong presence and build relationships with them, if possible. Working with an executive coach can be highly beneficial for reaching new heights in your career. A friend might suggest doing more push-ups, but a coach will demonstrate how they can make you stronger, providing the motivation to take action. Discover a trusted expert who understands your unique requirements. Similar to a financial advisor, executive coaches typically charge a percentage of your annual income. This fee is usually manageable if you adhere to their guidance. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips to get rich. Number 3. Develop systems that maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Multimillionaires cannot accomplish everything on their own. They possess systems and processes that enable them to utilize their talents and skills. There is always an improved and more efficient way to accomplish tasks. By establishing a well-designed framework for achieving your goals, you will ultimately reap the benefits. However, it should be your own system, not someone else's. Every day, I have specific habits, devices, and systems that I rely on to enhance my productivity. I used to believe that adhering to a specific wake-up time was crucial for achieving success. However, I have come to realize that my most productive hours fall between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. I stay up until the early hours of the morning and have discovered numerous advantages in doing so. Not everyone finds the 5 a.m. wake-up club effective. It's important to discover a system that suits your needs. Number 4. Marketing and sales skill. Marketing helps to communicate your brand's message, while sales focuses on persuading people to make a purchase. Just like a financial advisor, marketing helps you establish credibility and boost sales by earning people's trust in your reputation. Marketing plays a crucial role in driving your business forward, while sales acts as the backbone of your operations. To achieve strong support, it is essential to master both of these key skills. Multimillionaires have a deep understanding of marketing and sales. Their expertise and strategic decision-making have propelled them to prestigious roles, enabling them to savor the finest aspects of life. In this world, you have the choice to either sell or be sold. It's important to understand the demands of the marketplace and strategically meet its needs. Basically, the key is to identify a product to sell, and craft a compelling narrative to promote it. Number 5. Be decisive and make quick decisions. Every day, we all make numerous decisions. However, the wealthiest individuals achieve success quickly because they have a deep understanding of themselves. Many individuals lack the necessary knowledge to make informed decisions. Instead, they seek individuals who can achieve it on their behalf. It's interesting to note that a small percentage of individuals, about 10%, have taken on the role of entrepreneurs and have a significant influence over the majority of the workforce, which amounts to about 90%. Making informed decisions can greatly contribute to your financial success. A man recently shared with me that he was unable to participate in a particular event due to his uncertainty about the appropriate course of action. Instead of making a decision, he came up with a few excuses and managed to avoid taking responsibility for the moment. If he had significant wealth, he would have confidently informed me of his availability for the event. Take action, not make excuses. Number 6. Prioritize effectively. Understanding the importance of prioritization is crucial. It involves focusing on the most significant tasks and tackling them first. With so many tasks vying for your attention every day, it's important to prioritize the ones that offer the greatest rewards. It's important to establish a routine of regularly delegating or eliminating tasks that consume your time, energy, and finances. Time is limited. What are the key areas you plan to focus on this year? How do you plan to achieve it? Make sure your goals are as ambitious as possible. Many individuals tend to set goals that are too small in scale. A modest boost in earnings won't be enough for those with aspirations of becoming multimillionaires. Instead, aim to significantly increase your goal by striving to quadruple your rate of business. No matter what your objective may be, your mind will discover a path to achieve it. Number 7. Be incredibly productive and never stop producing. It is quite unwise for 98% of people to take time to rest on weeknights, weekends, and holidays. It's important to find a balance between rest and productivity. Don't waste your valuable time when there are so many people who could benefit from your assistance. Have you considered the impact of the work you produce on your overall happiness? An NBA player of great renown shared with me that he simply cannot go a single day without taking 1,000 shots. He declares, "Basketball is the driving force behind my existence." Not making it to the playoffs is something he absolutely despises. It makes him feel like a complete failure. That's why he's so successful. Understanding and aligning with your purpose is key to achieving financial success. I have a valuable tip for you. Incorporate your personal interests into your professional life. Number 8. Helping others is a top priority. Interestingly, the majority of multimillionaires are not motivated solely by financial gain. If they were solely motivated by financial gain, they would have ceased their efforts after amassing their initial million or so. Truly, they do it with the people in mind. They prioritize the well-being of individuals. When you prioritize serving others, the profit will naturally follow. It is a law that is automatically applied. I used to find it amusing when people worked without receiving any compensation, aka volunteers. That is my sole focus. When I wake up, my primary focus is usually on finding ways to provide greater value to a larger number of individuals in a shorter amount of time. Financial gain is not my immediate concern. Every day, I am greeted with a pile of checks on my desk, ready for me to sign and process. These checks are issued by my service. Number 9. Always striving for progress and growth. If you aspire to make a significant impact, it is crucial to continuously seek knowledge and embrace swift transformations. It would be beneficial for you to engage in reading books and putting into practice the ideas you acquire. Many of my affluent acquaintances make it a habit to read for at least 2 hours every day, and they prefer challenging material. They're diligently studying and making detailed observations. As you start your work each day, take a moment to reflect on how you can enhance your performance. If you want to know what differentiates the rich from the poor, then watch the video appearing on the right side and also subscribe to our channel. That video is very useful and the reason we told you in the beginning, so watch it now.